Queen, you asked and I delivered. I'm not going to gatekeep on you anymore. Today, we are talking about 6 gorgeous modern haircuts that are perfect for Black women over 50. These are cuts that honor your texture, celebrate your silver, frame your melanin-rich features, and restore the kind of confidence that no one can take from you. Whether your hair is natural, relaxed, color-treated, or transitioning, there is something on this list for you. Now let us get into it. Haircut number 1. The elegant finger wave or vintage curl set. Now, before you say anything, just stay with me for a moment, because this one is for the sisters who love old-school glamour. The finger wave and vintage curl set is not a relic of the past. On a Black woman over 50, it is a power move. Sculpted waves or defined vintage curls sitting close to the head and sweeping dramatically to one side, with shine and precision that most modern styles cannot touch. This is Dorothy Dandridge energy, Lena Horne in your everyday life, and you absolutely deserve it. For women with short to medium-length hair, whether relaxed or pressed natural, a finger wave set frames the face with structure and definition that is deeply, unapologetically feminine. The waves direct the eye across the face in a sweeping diagonal, drawing attention to your cheekbones, your jaw, your eyes. Every feature becomes intentional. For women whose hair is thinning, this style is particularly brilliant. Finger waves lay close to the head and use setting lotion or gel to create definition, which means the style creates the appearance of fullness and density, even in areas where the hair is finer. And the sheen of a well-set wave catches light in a way that makes your hair look incredibly healthy and vibrant. Styling this at home requires practice, but your stylist can teach you the technique. Alternatively, enjoy it as a regular salon treat. A finger wave set every 2 to 3 weeks, combined with a satin bonnet at night to preserve the waves, keeps this look fresh and polished longer than you might expect. Haircut number 2. The glamorous collarbone-length press and curl with layers. For the sisters who love length and are not ready to go short, this one is for you. A beautiful press and curl falling right at the collarbone with soft layers built in for movement. Here is why the collarbone length is the sweet spot. Hair that falls past the shoulders pulls the eye downward along the body. On a mature face, very long hair can actually work against your features, drawing attention away from your face rather than toward it. But collarbone length keeps your face as the focal point, while still giving you the sense of femininity and softness that comes with wearing your hair longer. The layers are everything in this style. Without layers, a pressed style can fall flat against the head with no movement and no life. Soft layers, starting at the cheekbones and cascading downward, create that signature bounce and swing that turns a good press into a showstopper. When you turn your head, your hair moves with you. When you laugh, it catches the light. That is the magic of layered movement. For women with fine hair, layers are especially important because they create the illusion of thickness. The shorter pieces underneath support and lift the longer pieces on top, so your hair looks lush and full rather than thin and limp. For women whose hair is thinning at the hairline or temples, something nobody talks about enough, a layered collarbone style with a soft side part can cover and camouflage those areas beautifully while still looking completely intentional and polished. This is not about hiding something, it is about framing yourself with care. Maintenance depends on your hair care routine, but plan for a fresh press every 2 to 3 weeks and a trim every 8 to 10 weeks. This is a timeless, classic look that never goes out of style because it was never chasing a trend to begin with. Haircut number 3. The REGAL short afro with sculpted edges. Do not sleep on a beautifully shaped afro, sis. Not a big, unstructured cloud of hair, though there is nothing wrong with that either, but a sculpted, intentional, shaped afro with clean edges and a defined silhouette. This is one of the most powerful statements a Black woman over 50 can make with her hair. The sculpted afro frames the face with softness on all sides, creating a halo effect that makes your features the focal point. Your eyes, your lips, your bone structure, all of it becomes the centerpiece because your hair is the frame, not the distraction. For women who have been relaxing their hair for decades and are now transitioning or going back to their natural texture, a shaped afro is one of the most graceful ways to make that change. It says, "I know who I am. I always did." It honors the journey without apology. Now here is what makes this cut particularly flattering for women over 50. The volume that a well-shaped afro adds around the temples and cheeks creates a youthful fullness in the face. Think about it. Younger faces have more volume and roundness. An afro, when shaped correctly to complement your face, mimics that volume distribution beautifully, giving your face a softness and fullness that turns back the clock without you chasing it. For gray hair, a shaped afro is absolutely breathtaking. The silver and white tones catch light in a way that relaxed or straightened hair simply cannot. Your gray is not a flaw, honey. It is a highlight. Treat it like one. Keep your scalp hydrated, your edges moisturized and laid, and visit your stylist every 3 to 4 weeks for a clean shape-up. This is the cut that makes people stop you on the street to ask who does your hair, and you will love every single second of it. Haircut number 4, the defined natural tapered cut. Oh, this one. The defined natural taper is close at the sides and nape with volume and definition concentrated at the crown. For Black women over 50, this cut does something almost magical. It uses your natural texture as the star of the show rather than something to be managed or minimized. Here is why it is so incredibly flattering on mature faces. As we age, we naturally lose a little volume in the face. The cheeks soften, the jawline shifts, and a haircut that draws the eye upward toward the crown and the forehead counteracts all of that beautifully. The tapered sides keep the silhouette clean and polished, while the height at the top elongates the face and lifts every feature. Now, for sisters with 4C hair, this cut is an absolute dream. Your coils, when properly moisturized and defined, create natural volume at the crown without needing any additional product buildup. For 4A and 3C textures, the curl definition adds a softness around the face that is nothing short of stunning. And if your hair is coming in silver or salt and pepper, let me tell you, a tapered natural with silver coils at the crown is one of the most regal things you will ever see. The key is finding a natural hairstylist who understands your specific curl pattern and knows how to sculpt a taper that flatters your face shape. If you have a rounder face, ask for more height at the crown and minimal width at the sides. If your face is more oval or heart-shaped, the standard taper will be gorgeous as is. Maintenance involves keeping your scalp moisturized and your edges laid, and a shape-up every 3 to 4 weeks to keep the taper crisp. This is a low-drama, high-impact haircut, and the way people will look at you when you walk into a room, absolutely priceless. Haircut number 5, the soft textured bob for natural and relaxed hair. Now, I know the bob has been around forever, but the modern textured bob for Black women over 50 is something entirely different from the stiff, helmet-like bobs of the past. Here is the key difference. A traditional blunt bob falls in one solid, heavy line at the jaw. On mature skin, that straight horizontal line drags the features downward. It sits heavy and severe. The textured bob, on the other hand, has movement built into it. Whether your texture comes from natural coils, a curly relaxer result, a texturizer, or a beautiful press and curl, the texture creates dimension that a straight cut cannot replicate. For natural hair wearers, a textured bob at jaw length with your coils shrinking beautifully to frame your face is an extraordinarily elegant look. Ask your stylist to cut it dry so they can see your natural shrinkage pattern and cut to flatter it rather than cutting it straight and having it ride up in unexpected places when it dries. For relaxed hair, ask for soft layers within the bob so the hair separates naturally and does not fall in a flat, lifeless wall. A slight beveled edge at the bottom curved inward toward the jaw frames the face instead of cutting across it. One of the most underrated benefits of this cut for women over 50 is what it does to the eyes. A bob that hits right at the jaw draws the gaze upward toward the eyes and cheekbones, rather than pulling the eye down toward the neck. Your eyes become the star, and at any age, a woman whose eyes are the first thing you notice is a woman who owns every room she walks into. Trim every 6 to 8 weeks for relaxed hair. For natural hair, a shape and trim every 8 weeks will keep your bob looking intentional and polished. Haircut number 6. The tapered locks with a defined crown. For the sisters who are wearing locks, do not think for 1 second that this list is not for you. It absolutely is, and this cut is one of the most breathtaking things I have ever seen on a black woman over 50. Tapered locks follow the same principle as the tapered natural cut. The locks are thinner and shorter at the sides and nape, and fuller, longer, and more defined at the crown. When your locks are mature and have good length on top, the stylist can sculpt a silhouette that is architecturally stunning. The crown becomes a declaration. The tapered sides keep everything clean, modern, and intentional. Here is what makes this particularly powerful for women in our community over 50. Mature locks, locks that have been cultivated over years or even decades, carry a visual weight that communicates exactly who you are. You are a woman who commits, a woman with deep roots, a woman whose beauty is not accidental or chaste, it is cultivated. And a tapered style showcases those locks with the reverence they deserve. Silver locks are in a category entirely their own. If your locks are going silver, steel gray, or a beautiful mix of black and white, a tapered style elevates them from stunning to absolutely transcendent. There is no hair color on earth more luxurious than naturally silvering black hair. None. Maintenance for tapered locks involves regular retwisting at the roots and a shape-up at the sides every 4 to 6 weeks. Find a loctician who has experience with mature locks because the technique required to taper locks without causing breakage or thinning is very specific. So now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 6 haircuts are you most excited about? And what is your current hair texture? Natural, relaxed, locks, transitioning? Tell me in the comments below. Your answer might be exactly the nudge another sister in this community needs to finally book that appointment she has been putting off. And if you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for, honey? Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Golden Melanin Lifestyle is where black women over 50 come to be celebrated, inspired, and reminded of just how extraordinary they truly are. Because your crown is not losing its shine, it is only getting more golden. And we will see you in the next one.